So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can proofread notes on your iPhone. So for this, you must enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, make sure this toggle is enabled. Now go back to home screen. Open the Notes app. Now open the note that you want to proofread. Select the part of the note that you want to proofread. Like this. After this, tap on this option. This will open Writing Tools. Tap on Proofread. Now this will proofread the note. And as you can see here, it made 2 changes. After this, tap on Done. And then tap on Done again. So this is how you can proofread notes on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.